Hello and welcome to my support solutions YouTube channel. The topic of this video is material master flag for deletion in SAP. Let us take one example. Our company deals in plastic products. This is our product Super Tough Bucket 10 liters and this is a price 190 per unit. Now we have introduced a new product and hence we want to absolute this product. This new product is bucket 10 liter and the price is 210. This is of a better quality. Hence our requirement is no user can create any purchasing document against this material for our plant BBL1. This is our requirement. Okay. Now in our practical session we will use transaction code MM06. The menu path is SAP menu, logistics, materials management, material master, material, flag for deletion and MM06 immediately. Double click on this. This is our material code 30216. This material we want to flag for a deletion 30216 for our BBL1 plant. Press enter. Here give the plant code, press enter. Now here activate our BBL plant for flag material for deletion. Save this. Deletion flag changed. Now we will try to create one purchase requisition against this material for our plant. We'll click on the create new session ME51N to create purchase requisition. Here we'll give the material code. Just a minute. I will copy this material code ME51N, give the material code and plant code BBL1. Oh, sorry. Enter quantity 10 and plant code BBL1. Okay. Enter. Now this is a message material 30216 flag for deletion. Okay, so this is our requirement that no user should create any purchasing documents against this material and against this BBL1 plant. So this is how we can use material master flag for deletion for a particular plant. That's all for now in this video. If you have any query or suggestion regarding the video topic, feel free comment. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch and bye bye.